approve niya yung JL niya.
Toramit, I'm one of your newer co-workers dito sa MSD, of course. Pero for the past few months, wala pa tayong 1 year.
Wala lang, sayang.
Wala, masasabi ko lang, mamimiss ko talaga ang presence mo. Lalo na dahil hindi pa natin napapa-approve yung ating laboratorio. I was hoping na nandito ka pa once maitayo natin. Pero, we will strive to work hard para in your honor.
Wow.
Nax, sana yun nga, ma-establish natin yung lab just as you wanted. Pero, I'm sure, I know hindi mo na maantay, pero we will still work hard on it. Kasi, syempre, sinimulan mo yung endeavor na to, we will complete it for you. For you. And, sabi nga nila, this is not the end. Bisita ka naman.
Of course, I will.
Kahit every Friday, kasama nito ko, Ronnie. Para hindi ka naman namin masyadong ma-miss, di ba? Pero, congrats po, and hope, yun nga, magawa mo yung gusto mo na mag-relax na and take good care of your health. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Klein. So wala na po